I love the fact that most Nigerians, both influencers, are just waking up lately to the reality of the insecurity challenges we have in Nigeria.
If you want to start a religious war, start it. So you want to start attacking the Christians there for what reason? Did they start attacking the Muslims around every other part of Nigeria? Now this one, I will finally make the country share. You see this Edo matter? If the government does not contain this on time, now it will finally bring division for this country. I swear to God, because it will cause that war where everybody define.
But do I just hear VDM saying if government do not handle this Edo case well, that this will bring division in this country? No. I think it's too early. Because what happened in Uromi, Edo State, is not up to 0.00001% of the 100% of the reality Igbos have been facing for decades. You see, anytime the people from the South East comes out to talk about the reason why they want to leave Nigeria, I have been taking time that the same set of influencers in Nigeria will still come out to tell you that Nigeria is not negotiable, Nigeria can never be divided, Nigeria is this, let us fight for Nigeria. I will be looking at this, I will be looking at a lot of people who have been laughing. You know why? Because I know where this thing is heading to. If you like, do what you want to do. Any country that the government is sponsoring insecurity, I said so, I Okochapi myself, Nigeria government sponsors insecurity. They sponsor terrorism. And I have the fact, I have the proof, okay? So you might not even wait for my proof. Go and ask a former head of Nigeria Intelligence Agency who confirmed that he arrested Boko Haram members and they said people sponsoring them in Aso Rock and in the Senate House, some of them are governor. The man who says so is still alive, okay? Don't even go far. Or you ask T.Y. Danjuma who said that the Nigerian military and police are colluding with these same people you are still talking about to commit ethnic cleansing. So the reason why people don't talk when they kill, you people don't still know about. Or you go and ask Buhari, who said if you fight Boko Haram, you are fighting against the North. You people are yet to wake up. Nigerians are yet to wake up. See, there is one mentality I want people to correct. If it doesn't touch me, I won't talk. A lot of people have been crying about all these things for decades. From 2015, 2016, Nnamdi Kanu do broadcasts, talk about all these things, but everybody feel or concerned. Why? Because people want to benefit from Nigerian entitlement. But now, the thing is becoming done on anybody. And we are realizing that Nigeria is not sustainable. And if you still like you have your right to argue that Nigeria is sustainable. But give it next 5 months, you will see what is going to happen in Nigeria. Not this one that I hear yesterday, okay? That Castina, is it not Castina? That a lot of troop of bandits who arrive in Nigeria, who are heading to South. You saw this information, we get them. Security operatives are aware of what I'm saying. They know everything. They don't want to act. We are still sleeping, okay? So when the time comes, everybody will beg for this country to divide. But for now, let's keep on pretending, okay? That's what this video today.
I said just few weeks before this thing happened, it was so painful to me that I had to call somebody that is in the police. And I told him, I said, the day when I'll carry myself, go Google my state, it go turn problem, they go arrest me that day. I swear to God, I told him, before this whole thing happened. I said, more if you mean say I go buy cutlass, give my people, go stand. Go let anybody where they come with bye. Yes, I know say I don't come up for north, I don't relocate. It's too much. It's too much. All of you now are coming out. How many times? So now don't come out before. Come talk, say, okay, yes, we hear say some Northerners keep people. We hear say some Fulani keep people for Benue State. Especially Benue State. I know what the Benue people they face. So, you all heard what that young man just said. First things first, I am giving the Nigerian police, the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, 48 hours to provide this guy. We are giving you 48 hours to provide this guy that just made a threat to the Christians around Nigeria. Now, these are the states that I listed. He said, if they don't provide those people that were responsible, somehow involved in the buying of those 16 people in those states, that the Christians in these states will suffer. The Christians in Borno, the Christians in Kanu, the Christians in Jos, Kaduna, and Adamawa, that they will suffer for it. That means he's making a threat that they also start attacking Christians. So I'll be waiting for the police. I don't want to talk past like that. Same way, the Nigerian police, they go arrest people who need tweets. You understand? Say defamation of character, all those things, say this one. The same way when they arrest them, you people should go and look for this guy and provide him for threatening the Christians in Nigeria. That's number one. Number two, you said something about Deborah. Say Deborah insults your prophet. I never saw a proof of that anywhere. Well, as of the time, me, I don't even do social media where like that. You understand? I didn't have the platform I have today. But I want you people to provide that proof. And again, just in case, if not that religion have messed up Africa, if not that religion don't finish you now. So you claim, say your prophet is holy. You claim that your prophet is holy. You pray to your prophet is a supernatural being. Do you understand? So if they insult your prophet does not have a power. You don't get spiritual power to buy the person who insult him. Must you ask for your prophet? Are you an idol worshipper? After you go swear in the name of God, are you an idol worshipper? You go to the mosque every day to pray. Why can't you pray that God will attack Deborah? So you take laws into your hand and you are opening your mouth to come and say it. Now because of sin in Nigeria, again, I need to remind you, anytime, bros, I don't do Sharia. I don't be small picking for religious war. I don't be small picking. I am not a child. Do you understand? Now experience, I'm just 31. I go turn 31 this April. Now experience, now serious experience I get for life. Like I said, they don't lynch me. I don't do Sharia. I don't be baby talk and they follow you talk. A lot of times when something happen for Nigeria where concern religion, a lot of you illiterates. Because I know say some Islam is the way get sense. A lot of I'm talking to the illiterates now. When I just carry on our phone, start to be threatening. Like saying only when I get power to fight. Do you think the Christians cannot fight? I mean, you say the power of fighting, now only Islam is there. You say the power of killing. The power of buying people, you say now only for your religion is there. The guy where you go reach, they go drop religion, they go drop Bible. All men go march. All men go march. You think, I don't know, a lot of times people just want to just talk. When this thing happened in Edo State, me, I am from Edo State. I condemned it. I didn't want to hear the reason why. I don't care about the reason. I condemned it 100% because jungle justice is not the way. But over time, I don't see say different Northerners, they make different videos. A lot of Hausas, a lot of Muslims, you are making a lot of videos. Which reasonable Christian have you seen that came out to support what they did in Edo State? Which reasonable Christian? Now you are sending message to the president and they send message give President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. If you get problem with the president, face the president. Don't bring Christians into it. If you want to start a religious war, start it. So you want to start attacking the Christians there for what reason? Did they start attacking the Muslims around every other part of Nigeria? Now this one, I ain't go finally make the country share. You see this Edo matter. If the government does not contain this on time, now it will finally bring division for this country. I swear to God, because it will cause that war where everybody define. And everybody go rest. Maybe if the country scatter, everybody go rest. Because the government are not even interested in this matter. By now, therefore, don't give people, say, this state, we don't want to see, so. All these Fulani herdsmen, all these cow men, all of you, this is where you should go with your cow, this is where you should go with your cow. They are not interested. They are planning for their politics in 2027. Now you go make person like you come and second the threatening. If you start to the threatening for you go be so. Listen. Mona, listen. Calm down. We are all Nigerians here, bro. Nobody they fear anybody. Every time you go just talk. Every time. There's something happen. Now they make threats. Did Deborah again also not burn down? Nobody. Nobody is supporting what happened in Edo State. No human being is supporting what happened in Edo State. They are my people. But now me follow, I'll be the first to come out so I can condemn them. For all the people against social media platform, I am the first that came out to condemn it. I will start posting different videos of Edo State. My next post will be a video from Edo State. How they take by people. I have had that video for the longest. I said just few weeks before this thing happened, it was so painful to me that I had to call somebody that is in the police. And I told him, I said, the day when I'll carry myself, go Google my state, it go turn problem, they go arrest me that day. I swear to God, I told him, before this thing happened. I said, more if you miss, I go buy collars, give my people, go stand. Go let anybody where they come with bye. Yes, I know say I don't come up for north, I don't relocate. It's too much. It's too much. All of you now are coming out. How many times I don't come out before? Come talk, say, okay, yes, we hear say some Northerners keep people. We hear say some Fulani keep people for Benue State. Especially Benue State. I know what the Benue people they face. Nobody have gone to their rescue. Nobody. Enugu Igbo women now still they cry. Nobody. Ondo people they cry. Nobody. It just happened now. Everybody feel like okay, they can talk now. Bros, you go warn yourself. I don't want to see all this nonsense online. All of now they do is from the north. Wanna leave this rubbish talk. If you want Nigeria to grow, you stop this nonsense. But if you want to start religious war, there's no problem. Time will come, they go leave Bible or leave everybody. Everybody will start that madness. Mona, they calm down. Mona, they calm down. Mona, they calm down. Mona, they calm down. Jungle justice is not the way. I stand against jungle justice and I'll say it 1 million times. But nobody should threaten anybody. Nobody should threaten anybody. And to the Inspector General of Police, you have 48 hours to arrest this guy. The one that take pick influencers when they tweet or when they type. Especially you, PRO. Especially you, PRO. You have just 48 hours to provide this guy.